P block elements to preparation of oxides of nitrogen. Under this heading, in this video, we are going to discuss about preparation of nitrous oxide, also called nitrogen oxide, a laughing gas. Preparation of nitrous oxide. The first method is ammonium nitrate. Molecular formula NH4NO3. NH4 is a positively charged ion. This is your ammonium nitrate. On boiling, nitrate. On boiling ammonium nitrate, it undergo decomposition gives N2O, nitrous oxide N2O. Remaining we have 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. So 2 water molecules are removed. So this is your first method of preparation of nitrous oxide. You know, nitrous oxide is also called dinitrogen oxide and laughing gas. First method of preparation. In the second method, how this ammonium nitrate is prepared? If you know the method of preparation of ammonium nitrate, we can easily prepare nitrous oxide. Potassium nitrate, KNO3. Potassium is a monopositive ion, nitrate -1. Oxidation state of nitrate is -1. 1 nitrogen plus 5, 1 oxygen -2, 3 into -2 equal to -6, -6 plus 5 equal to -1. When you write in class, you will get the molecular formula. This one is near to potassium, near to nitrate. Undergo reaction with ammonium nitrate, ammonium NH4, sulfate SO4, sulfate valency 2 minus, ammonium 1 plus. When you write in class, this 2 is here, ammonium valency 1 is here. So you know the product, how the product is formed. This plus combine with this minus, KSO4, sulfate valency we know 2 minus, potassium plus 1. When you write in class, the molecular formula K2SO4 plus, and ammonium plus combine with the nitrate minus, NH4NO3. Both the valencies are 1. Ammonium valency 1, nitrate valency 1. 2 ammonium, 2 ammonium, 2 nitrate, 2 nitrate, 2 potassium, 2 potassium. The reaction is balanced. The ammonium nitrate formed again on boiling. Here also the reaction takes place on boiling only. This ammonium nitrate, like in the first step, undergo decomposition gives nitrous oxide plus water molecule. So this is the second method of preparation of nitrous oxide. But remember, when potassium nitrate is treated with ammonium sulfate, our product are potassium sulfate, nitrous oxide and water. Ammonium nitrate formed undergo decomposition. When potassium nitrate is treated with ammonium sulfate, the product formed are potassium sulfate, nitrous oxide and water molecule. Third method of preparation of nitrous oxide. Third method of preparation of nitrous oxide, again through ammonium nitrate. Sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Sodium is a monopositive ion, nitrate is mononegative ion. When treated with ammonium chloride NH4Cl, ammonium monopositive ion, chlorine minus. On boiling, undergo double decomposition reaction. Na plus combine with the Cl minus, form NaCl. Ammonium plus combine with the nitrate minus, plus both the valencies are 1. Ammonium nitrate. Ammonium valency 1, nitrate valency 1. Again, ammonium nitrate formed on heating, undergo decomposition gives nitrous oxide plus loss of water molecule H2. So, this is third method of preparation of nitrous oxide. Then come to fourth method. Method of preparation of nitrous acid, fourth method of preparation. NH2OH. NH2OH. We know this is OH hydroxyl, OH hydroxyl, NH2 amine. Totally this is called hydroxylamine. When treated with HNO2, you studied about HNO2. HNO2 on heating. HNO2 is nothing but nitrous acid. Nitrous acid. Nitrous acid. Nitrogen is in +3 oxidation state. So, again it gives N2O, total number of hydrogens are 4. N2O plus total number of hydrogens are 4, therefore loss of 2 water molecules. So, hydroxylamine when boiled with nitrous acid gives nitrous oxide. Fifth method of preparation of nitrous oxide. Fifth method of preparation of nitrous oxide. Ammonia NH3. Due to the presence of lone pair of electron, we know it is called Lewis base. When treated with an acid, nitric acid, H plus NO3 minus. So, an acid react with a base gives salt. The H plus moves towards nitrogen. Nitrogen donate a pair of electron, thereby a salt ammonium nitrate is obtained. As usual, like the previous reaction, ammonium nitrate on heating undergo decomposition gives nitrous oxide plus loss of water molecule. So, this is fifth method of preparation of nitrous oxide. Then come to sixth method of preparation of nitrous oxide. NH2OH. NH2OH. HCl. HCl. When treated with sodium nitrite, NaNO2. NaNO2. NaCl. Na plus Cl minus is removed, and when you see these two remaining reactant, see here NH2OH, NH2OH, HNO2, HNO2. So, what are our product? N2O and totally 4 hydrogen atom. So, loss of NaCl plus formation of nitrous oxide along with the loss of 2 water molecules. So, this is the sixth method of preparation of nitrous oxide. Then now we are going to see how metal and metal salt produce nitrous oxide. How metal and metal salt produce nitrous acid. Seventh method of preparation of nitrous acid. Seventh method of preparation of nitrous acid. The metallic zinc, when treated with 20%, that means dilute nitric acid HNO3 gives nitrous oxide. So we know how the reactions takes place. I will explain. I am writing first the reaction, how the reactions takes place. Zn when treated with HNO3 gives, what are the product are obtained in this reaction? Zinc nitrate, ZnNO3 twice plus liberation of N2O, a neutral oxide, nitrous oxide, plus loss of water molecule H2O. I will explain how these reactions takes place. 4Zn react with 10 HNO3. Here 4ZnNO3 twice, 5H2O. So now we are going to see how zinc undergo reaction with 20% nitric acid, how these balancings are made. So in the first step, Zn when treated with 20% dilute nitric acid HNO3, 20% dilute nitric acid. We know in the first step metal nitrate is formed. Zn balancing always 2, therefore ZnNO3 twice zinc nitrate is formed along with the formation of 8 nascent hydrogen. So depending upon this only balancing is made. 8 hydrogen, 8 hydrogen, 8 nitrogen. Here we have 2 nitrogen. 2 into 4 are 8 nitrogen, 4Zn, 4Zn. Now we know what is the use of this nascent hydrogen. The nascent hydrogen, freshly prepared nitrogen is called, hydrogen is called nascent hydrogen. Freshly prepared hydrogen is called nascent hydrogen. That nascent hydrogen is used to reduce the 20% dilute nitric acid. HNO3 when reduced with 8 nascent hydrogen, it gives our product N2O and H2O. N2O and H2O. We have here 8 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen, 1 hydrogen, 9 hydrogen. So the nearest even number is 10. So here 10 hydrogen, 5 into 2 are 10 hydrogen, 2 nitrogen, equation balanced. When we add these two reactions, cancel the molecules which are present on the right and left hand side molecule equally, 8 hydrogen, 8 hydrogen. So no other balancing. When we add this equation, so we will get 4Zn plus 8 plus 2 equal to 10 HNO3 nitric acid gives 4ZnNO3 twice, ZnNO3 twice plus N2O plus 5H2O. See the first reaction, this is our reaction. Now I explained how the reaction takes place in 2 steps, and now we are going to see which one undergo oxidation and which one undergo reduction. See here, in zinc, zinc is in metal in free state, oxidation state equal to 0. In zinc nitrate, Zn is an 2 plus ion. So when you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases, therefore it is called oxidation. Zinc undergo oxidation. In nitric acid, nitrogen is in plus 5 oxidation state, and in nitrous oxide it is in plus 1 oxidation state, nitrogen. So, when you move from left to right, the oxidation number decreases. Therefore, it is called reduction. Reduction. Zinc undergo oxidation, that zinc is oxidized by nitric acid which undergo reduction. So, this is seventh method of preparation of nitrous oxide. Then like this we are going to see eighth method of preparation of nitrous oxide. Eighth method of preparation of nitrous oxide. SnCl2 undergo reaction with HCl and HNO3. HCl and HNO3. So, this is also 20% nitric acid and gives SnCl4 plus nitrous oxide, same product as before, nitrous oxide and H2O. 4 SnCl2, 8 HCl, 2 HNO3 20%, 4 SnCl4 and 5 H2O. Sn in SnCl2 is 2 plus oxidation state and in SnCl4 it is 4 plus oxidation state. So, the first name end with OUS, stannous chloride. Stannous chloride. Stannous chloride. And in product is in plus 4 oxidation state. Stannic chloride. Stannous chloride, stannic chloride. Now, we are going to see how the reactions takes place as before. Easy reaction. In the first reaction, SnCl2 is oxidized by hydrochloric acid HCl, gives 2 plus is oxidized into 4 plus SnCl4 and 8 nascent hydrogen. When we balance 8 hydrogen, 8 chlorine, here 2 chlorine, 10 chlorine, 4 into dash equal to 10. So, no idea. So, nearest equal number 4 into 4s are 16, here 18, 4 into 2s are 8, totally 16 chlorine atom. First step. In the second step, we know this nascent hydrogen used in the reduction of nitric acid, HNO3, when reduced by 8 hydrogen, nascent hydrogen, we know the product as in the zinc nitric acid reaction, nitrous acid plus H2O. 2 nitrogen, 10 hydrogen, 5 into 2s are 10 hydrogen. So, when we add these two reactions, we will get the final reaction. 8 hydrogen only get cancelled. So, left hand side we have 4 SnCl2 plus 8 HCl plus 2 HNO3 gives 4 SnCl4 plus nitrous oxide N2O plus 5 H2O, water molecule. Now, this reaction also used to prepare nitrous oxide, which undergo oxidation. In SnCl2, Sn oxidation state is plus 2 and in SnCl4, Sn oxidation state is plus 4. So when you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases, therefore it is called oxidation. And in nitric acid, nitrogen is in plus 5 oxidation state, nitrous oxide plus 1 oxidation state. The oxidation number decreases when you move from left to right. So it is called reduction. It is called reduction. One more method of preparation of nitrous oxide, and it is the 9th method of preparation of nitrous oxide. 9th method of preparation of nitrous oxide. First I am writing the reaction. Which reaction takes place here? Sulfur dioxide SO2 when treated with H2O and nitric oxide NO gives sulfuric acid H2SO4 plus along with nitrous oxide N2O. 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen, only symbol balancing. So in this reaction, nitrous oxide is prepared. Now I am going to write the equation. First SO2, sulfur dioxide, when dissolved in water H2O, it gives sulfuric acid H2SO4 plus nascent hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, nascent hydrogen. In the second step, the nascent hydrogen used to reduce nitric oxide NO when reduced with nascent hydrogen. In nitric oxide, nitrogen is in plus 2 oxidation state. It is reduced into N2O, nitrous oxide. Right hand side, nitrous oxide, N2O, plus loss of H2O. To balance equation, right hand side 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen, and 2 oxide, everything is balanced. When we add these two reactions, we will get final reaction, and also nitrous oxide is prepared. 2 hydrogen get cancelled. 1 water molecule, here you have 2 water molecule after balancing. Therefore, 1 water molecule, here 1 water molecule get cancelled. You are having remaining 1 water molecule, H2O. So add all these. Left hand side, SO2 plus 1 water molecule H2O, 2NO nitric oxide gives H2SO4 sulfuric acid and nitrous oxide. So this is also one of the method used to prepare nitrous oxide, N2O. So there are 9 methods are used. In this method, in sulfur dioxide, sulfur is in plus 4 oxidation state, and in sulfuric acid it is in plus 6 oxidation state. SO2 undergo oxidation, increasing in oxidation number is called oxidation, and in NO, nitrogen is in plus 2 oxidation state, nitrous oxide, nitrogen is in plus 1 oxidation state. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number decreases, therefore it is called reduction. So far we have discussed totally 9 method of preparation of nitrous oxide, N2O, also called dinitrogen oxide and also called laughing gas. Thank you.